In the heart of North America, a chain of secret towns hides beyond the tourist glare, where locals share unwritten tips and winding trails. This episode follows a forgotten waterfall tucked between limestone cliffs, a street-side bakery serving paprika pastries, and a seasonal festival buzzing with color. We chase a sunrise hike that leads to photo spots hikers miss, from misty canyons to suspended viewpoints above sleepy towns. Along the way, insider tactics reveal how to eat like a local, dodge crowds, and barter with innkeepers for night sky sightings. Join the quest to map these hidden wonders before they vanish.